Ever wondered how portable vocal booths compare to each other? Watch the side-by-side challenge. Challenge number 1: Portability and Basic Assembly. The Basic Assembly Challenge: how fast a portable vocal booth can be set up on a tabletop without setting up the recording equipment. Results of challenge number 1: Portability. The PortaBooth and VOMO are obviously designed with portability in mind, as they are self-contained vocal booth bags. However, the ISOVOX is very bulky, consists of many separate parts, and is not easy to carry around. VOMO is in first place with a setup time of approximately 15 seconds. PortaBooth is in second place with a setup time of approximately 1 minute and 47 seconds, and the ISOVOX is the last with a setup time of approximately 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Challenge number 2: Stand mount. Mounting a vocal booth on a stand is preferred by some voice actors for better freedom of gesticulation and breathing. The caveats of challenge number 2. Note that the stand mount challenge has its limitation for a variety of reasons. The ISOVOX can only be mounted on the specially designed stand, which is why it fits like a glove to that specific stand. The PortaBooth requires its stand to have a boom arm to be suspended from, which in turn makes the booth itself very unstable. The VOMO, however, can be mounted on any microphone stand, and with the use of a special adapter, it can also be mounted onto any camera tripod.